Hello, this is Miss Amina. On Thursday, we are learning letter L. Letter L, which sounds L, L, L. Letter L as in lemon, lemon. Good. Before we go into how to pronounce letter L and our story reading and other exercises, I would like us to do a tongue exercise, an articulation exercise as well. So, to start with, let's pretend that we have food stock around our mouth. So, you bring out your tongue and you take it back into your mouth and use it to swipe round your mouth. These exercises are going to help strengthen the muscle of your tongue. So, let's go. We are going to do this 5 times. That's round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now our next exercise, we are going to put our tongue inside the side of the cheek, to the side of our cheek, and you're going to push with 2 fingers. So let's go. To the left, right again, left again. 4, 5. Good. Our next exercise, we are going to try to bring the tongue all out. Then you hold for 5 seconds. You can use your fingers to bring it out a little bit, but make sure you don't injure your child. So let's go. Bring your tongue all out and hold for 5 seconds. Good. Make sure your hands are clean for this exercise. Our next exercise, we are going to bring the tongue all out again. Then we take it up and down, up and down. We do this 5 times. Then after that, we take it left and right 5 times again. So let's go. Good. Our next exercise, we are going to use our fingers to massage the tongue all round. Some children find it hard to lift their tongue up. So with this massage, it's going to relax the muscle of the tongue. So let's go. Good. Now our next exercise. We're going to have the tongue inside of the mouth and we use our fingers to press it down like a push-up. Then you let it relax, it goes up, then you press it down again with the finger. This might be uncomfortable, but we need to do the exercise. By now you start feeling the muscle of your tongue being worked up. So let's go. You can do that 5 times as well. Now let's do a little articulation exercise. I want you to say la, le, li, la, lu. You're moving the tongue. Again, la, le, li, la, lu. 3 more times. La, le, li, lo, loon. La, le, li, lo, loon. La, le, li, lo, loon. Let's try something else. Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Great. Now let me teach you how to make the L sound. L sound of letter L. Letter L sound L, L, L. To make the L sound, your tongue goes up, all up, to the back of your front teeth. See? So you turn your voice on and you get L, 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 L. Now let's try some words with letter L, which sound L, 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 L. Letter L sound L as in lemon, lemon, lemon. Letter L sound L as in lion, lion. Letter L sound L as in lock, lock, lock. Now let's make a sentence with letter L sound L, L, L. I saw a lion in the zoo. I saw a lion in the zoo. Another sentence we can try with letter L is put your fingers on your lips. 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 Can you tell me what other body part do we have that starts with L? We have legs, legs, lips, and legs. Now let me read us a story of L titled The Lazy Lion. Leon was a lazy lion. He liked to lay in the sun. He liked to lay by the lake. Leon took little naps. He liked to rest his legs. He liked to snore loudly. Leon liked to play all day. He liked to laugh a lot. He liked to stay up late. Let me read the story one more time. The Lazy Lion, story of L. Leon was a lazy lion. He liked to lay in the sun. He liked to lay by the lake. Leon took little naps. He liked to rest his legs. He liked to snore loudly. Leon liked to play all day. He liked to laugh a lot. He liked to stay up late. Now let's practice more words with letter L. Sound L, L, L. Meal, nail. Can you see my nails? Lock, lock. Lemon, lip, leg, light, ladder, leaf, and lion. See you in class in Zoom. Make sure you practice your letter L sound L, L, L.